is up, everyone? It's that time of year again, the new iPhone 11 series launch. The device features the square camera module on the top right of the device and their iconic notch, which I'm not too crazy about. First up, let's talk tech specs. The iPhone 11 series all feature the A13 Bionic chipset, and they claim that it's currently the fastest chipset on the market as of right now. The devices come with new and improved night mode, which can take some serious low light shots. The new ultra-wide sensor is able to record up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. By the way, there's also a new thing called Slow-fi, which is basically a slow-mo selfie video. The iPhone 11 is equivalent to the iPhone XR from last year, which comes with a 6.1-inch liquid retina display and a dual camera setup at 12 megapixels wide and 12 megapixels ultra-wide sensors, whereas the selfie camera is at 12 megapixels. This device comes in 3 variants and 6 colors, which you can see the prices for here. But wait, it gets more interesting! The iPhone 11 now comes with Pro versions, the iPhone 11 Pro, which measures at 5.8 inches, and the iPhone 11 Pro Max at 6.5 inches. Both are equipped with the Super Retina XDR display. In addition, it comes with a triple rear camera setup with a 12 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 12 megapixel telephoto sensors. Speaking of camera, the Pro variants of the smartphone will be getting a cool feature called Deep Fusion, which takes better photos with a combination of many photo shots and crazy AI. And to top it off, all the phones come shipped with an 18-watt fast charger in the box. I know, I'm shook. What? The iPhone 11 Pro's price starts at 4,899 ringgit, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro Max's price starts at 5,299 ringgit. You can find the full price list here. These devices will be out in Malaysia on the 27th of September. And that's all you need to know about the iPhone 11 series. If you want to know more, check out technews.com for the full coverage. I'm Natasha, and I'm gonna go crash now. Bye!